report is out to address health and safety concerns in Grand Rapids. In December, the Grand Rapids Area Chamber of Commerce, along with several business owners, called on the city to do more to address homelessness and safety. 4 months later, we're learning what's next. Fox 17's Matt Witkos went through that report, and he has more.
The city has several plans to address needs here. In the report, the city shows they're looking at hiring private security for 11 downtown parks by the end of April. GR is also planning on hiring additional homeless outreach team members. The city adds that being homeless isn't a crime, but there's a need to find solutions. A new 71-page report for the city of Grand Rapids on addressing public health and safety. In it, Deputy City Manager Kate Behrens to City Manager Mark Washington outlining the next steps. These steps include addressing public urination, repetitive trespassing, and disorderly conduct.
There's a gap that remains in the effort to create destination city that is welcoming to all, that has outcomes for those in need of service.
That was Grand Rapids Area Chamber of Commerce President Richard Baker from a December meeting. Baker, along with the chamber members, addressed the City Commission about public safety in the city. Their proposal include fining people up to $500 or 90 days in jail for disorderly conduct.
We have to find a way to do things better, and it may not be exactly what either side wants altogether, but we have to find a way to do something.
Those remarks from Washington from 4 months ago. Today, his outline for immediate action. 1. Enforcing several current city codes when there's a threat to public health and safety. Updated weekly cleaning to daily along several main corridors. Finally, complaints need to be addressed as quickly as possible. The city has already taken action over these past few months to better address issues to public health and safety. The city is designing and looking to open 3 new public bathrooms. Grand Rapids police served 50 citations and made 52 arrests for disorderly conduct. Between January and March, the city notified, removed, and provided resources to people living in 22 encampments. There are plans to work with a new behavioral health crisis center, which is a partnership between Network 180 and Trinity Health St. Mary's. GR also highlights what you can do to address a situation. For people who live and work in the city, trespassing can be enforced. The city recommends making a record of those times. Contact the hot team for anyone sleeping on the sidewalk or in a public space. The city adds people are allowed to sit or lie within a public space as long as they're not blocking a door or a potential safety hazard. The city plans to talk about the report further on Tuesday. If you would like to read the entire report, head to fox17online.com. In studio, I'm Matt Witkos, Fox 17 News.